Ever wondered how Amazon sellers are finding product that bring in six figures a year? The secret of many useful sellers is using a tool called Helium10. And in this video, I will explain how Amazon sellers actually use it step by step to uncover those winning products. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we explore tools and strategies that help the entrepreneurs to grow smarter, not harder. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't miss the description because you will get the free trial and some special deals. So first way to find the winning product is the researching product with black box. Helium 10 has a powerful tool called Black Box. This lets you filter millions of products on Amazon by sales numbers, reviews, price ranges, and competition level. Sellers use it to spot hidden opportunities instead of wasting time to guessing. Second step is the validate demand with X-ray. So after shortlisting product, seller use the X-ray Chrome extension. This is a so it shows the real-time sales estimate, revenue numbers, and average reviews for products on any Amazon page. This helps confirm if people are actually buying that product before investing it. Now, the next step is keyword research. Sellers can reverse engineer a competitor listing to see what keywords they rank for. This reveals the exact search terms that bring the traffic and sales. So once they have list of the keyword, they use the magnet to expand it with related high traffic and low competition terms. This is key for building a strong product listing that shows up Amazon search results. Even after launching, sellers don't stop. They use keyword tracker to monitor how their product ranks day by day. So they can adjust ads or optimize listing if they drop it ranking. So when you put it all together, that's how Amazon sellers find the six-figure product using Helium 10. Research with black box, validate with X-ray, spy with Cerebro, and expand the keyword with magnet. And also track with keyword tracker and optimize the Scrabble. So if you are serious about selling on Amazon, Helium 10 can save you months of trial and error that bring in six figures a year. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.